Assalamu alaikum. How are you kids? Hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn English. Open page number 22. Here we have an interesting activity. Complete the puzzle and sentences. We will complete this puzzle with the help of these pictures and these clues. So let's start. What is this? Neck. सबसे पहले कौन सा साउंड है? एक neck. Okay. What is this? Hand. 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 What is this? Foot. Foot. And what is this? Finger. E-M-G-E. Finger. अब हमने लास्ट में कौन सा लेटर लिखना है? Finger. What is this? Toe. T-O. अब हम क्या लिखेंगे? E. Toe. What is this? This is an eye. E-Y-E. Eye. And what is this? Ear. E-A-R. Ear. हमने पूरा पजल कंप्लीट कर लिया. एक दफा सारे वर्ड्स को पढ़ लेते हैं. नेक, हैंड, foot, finger, toe, eye and ear. Very good. Now we are going to fill these blanks with the help of these words. I have dash hands. 1, 2 or 10. I have 2 hands. Yes. I have dash head. 1, 2 or 10. 1. I have 1 head. I have dash feet. 1, 2 or 10. 2. Yes, I have 2 feet. I have dash fingers. 1, 2 or 10. How many fingers we have? I have 10 fingers. Yes. Now open page number 23. Read and draw. 2 eyes. यहाँ पे आपने 2 eyes draw करनी है. 2 ears. यहाँ पर 2 ears draw करने हैं. 2 legs. यहाँ पर 2 legs draw करनी है. 10 fingers. यहाँ पर 10 fingers draw करनी है. ऐसे आपने दोनों पेज कंप्लीट करने हैं. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज.